So this man says he's going to leave us. We have left everything to follow Jesus. We have stopped working to follow Jesus. We are no longer on the field or in the sea catching fish anymore. And this man says he's going to leave us. Maybe before you came to Christ, you were doing whatever you were doing, and you came to Christ and you were told that, oh, God, Jesus will turn everything around. And it started very well. You come into the house of God, it is so nice, everyone is happy, you are happy, everything is going okay, everything is going all right. Then one day, Jesus says to you, not physically, but times change and seasons change. And it's like, it is not like before. The people who say, the good old days. And you say, not sorry to say. Not sorry, papa.